See, I'm going to fry it. See, it's ready. Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's Angela again. Today we're going to be cooking chicken stew. And this is the chicken already sliced, clean in a pot. And this is onion to cook the chicken. It's hard chicken, so I'm going to cook it for a long time to get it soft bit. And this is ginger and garlic. Add it to it. And these are the spices I'm going to use. This is curry powder, salt, onions powder, chicken spice, thyme, and turmeric powder. And I'm going to be adding 1 cube, bouillon cube to it. So now I add everything to it. I'm just going to stir a little bit. So I'm going to let it cook for maybe 20 minutes because the chicken is tough. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it to cook for 20 minutes. Stew. This is what I'm going to be needing: onion, white onions and red onions, then red bell pepper and tomatoes, ginger, garlic, fresh pepper, spicy pepper, and tomato paste. Okay, now the chicken is cooked already. So this is the chicken. I'm going to fry it, and I have some. This is the pan I'm going to use to fry it. As I'm frying, then I'm also busy with the stew. And this is the pan I'm using for the stew. This is the oil, and this is the blended onion and garlic and ginger, and this is the bell pepper, tomato, and the fresh pepper, the hot pepper, and this is the tomato paste that I'm using. The onion I'm using in frying the chicken, and the curry powder, and the chicken stock, and this is the bouillon cubes I'm using for the stew. Okay, now I'm going to start with the frying. I'm going to add a little bit onion to it, to the oil. I like cooking with onion. See, I'm going to get it brown a little bit, not too dry because the chicken is already hard. Yeah, as that is busy, and I'm also going to fry the stew, the tomato. Add a little bit oil to it, to the pan. I'm adding the rest of the onion. didn't add ginger to fry because there are a lot of ginger and garlic. That is the grounded onion, garlic, and ginger. And I'm adding the tomato, already blended tomato and pepper and the bell pepper. And this is the tomato paste. A little bit, not too much. Just going to let this cook for maybe 10 minutes. But I will keep stirring. I will keep opening and stirring so that it don't get burnt. Yeah, that's it for now. See, that is the sauce, the tomato sauce. It's cooked, perfectly cooked. How do you know if it's cooked? When that slappy, tongue slappy sour is not there anymore. When you don't taste that sour taste anymore from tomato, then you know it's cooked. And the chicken is ready. So I'm going to put the chicken inside. At this point, it's thick. I'm going to add chicken stock to it, little bit. Chicken stock to it. Then I'm going to leave it to cook with the chicken. For maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, now I'm going to add the curry powder to it and the stock cubes to it. I'm not going to add sauce because I already saw the chicken is salted already. So I mix everything together. I just leave it for, as I said, 10 minutes. See? This is my chicken stew. So now I decide to add some spinach to it. Yeah, that is it. Maybe in 1 minute, just let it cook 1 minute together with the spinach. Then yeah, then it's ready. See, it's ready. Just chicken, hard chicken. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. God bless you. And give the thumbs up, positive comments. And thank you very much for joining me. See you again next time in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.